Now, before I go ahead and sell off a portion of my NVIDIA stock, the last thing I want to show you here is how to edit your dividend reinvestment settings in case you want to change where your dividends are going. And to do that, you're actually going to click on the three dots here in the top right and leverage the Fidelity Assistant. So in this case, we're going to type in dividend reinvestment as our topic that we're looking to discuss here. And then it mentions here that we can choose an account here to change the dividend reinvestment settings. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And now it says here that it has a mixed plan right now for what happens with the dividends. So you can either reinvest it back into the security that issued it, deposit it to the core account, or cancel altogether. We're going to click reinvest in security. And it says here you've chosen to change your dividend reinvestment plan for all your positions in your account to reinvest in the security. Are you sure? We're going to confirm that. And just like that, we have updated our dividend reinvestment settings. So that way our dividends go back into whatever fund or stock issued it in the first place using fractional shares. This Fidelity Assistant can be super helpful for various tasks, so definitely keep that in mind if you're looking to change settings and you don't know where to go.